Good morning students. Today we will learn what is volume and how to find volume.
Everybody enjoys having a drink from juice boxes. But do you know what it means when it says that a box contains 250 milliliters of juice? This means that the juice box has a space to hold exactly 250 milliliters of juice. This amount of space, or the capacity, is called the volume of the juice box. It can be calculated for different shapes with different formulas.
A cuboid is a solid geometrical object with 6 faces. Each face of a cuboid is a rectangle. In the figure, the length, breadth and height are marked. We get the volume of a cuboid by multiplying its length, breadth and height. Thus, volume of a cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height, which is equal to L into B into H. Let us solve an example. Find the volume of a cuboid having length 4 meters, breadth 2 meters and height 6 meters. Volume of a cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height, which is equal to 4 into 2 into 6, which is equal to 48 cubic centimeters. Thus, the volume of the given cuboid is 48 cubic centimeters. The volume of a solid is the amount of space it occupies. We know that a cube is a solid geometrical object with 6 faces. Each face of a cube is a square. In the figure, the length, breadth and height are marked, but as it is a cube, all its edges measure the same. Therefore, let us call each of its edges a side. We get the volume of a cube by multiplying its length, breadth and height. Thus, volume of a cube is equal to side into side into side, which is equal to S into S into S is equal to S cubed. The unit of volume is cubic centimeter or cubic meter. We write it as shown. Let us solve an example. Find the volume of a cube having side as 6 centimeters. Volume of a cube is equal to side cubed, which is equal to 6 cubed, which is equal to 6 into 6 into 6, which is equal to 216 cubic centimeters. Therefore, the volume of the given cube is 216 cubic centimeters.
Do practice of the sums. Thank you.